type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. This one called antibody mediated cytosic hypersensitivity. Here interaction of antibody and surface antigen of cells powered by complementary system of lysis of cell. Example, mismatched blood transfusion. This one is cell, it having surface antigen. This one is extracellular matrix. This one also having antigen. Okay, against this antigen antibody are formed. Okay, here, so when antibody formed against endogenous means inside of the cell or exogenous means outside of the cells, antigen present on the surface of cell or in the extracellular matrix. Now what will happen? Antibody are formed. This one is antigen. Now antibody are formed. It will attach to this antigen. This antibody will attach to the antigen. Then after that three things will happen. First one is opsonization or phagocytosis. This antigen will attach to this antibody. Example, IgG or IgM antibody. Second, it will cause inflammation. Third one is cellular dysfunction. First, this attachment will activate, this antigen antibody attachment will activate complement system. IgG antibody or IgM antibody will activate complement system. Here three things will happen. First one is some mediate form C3p. It will again activated opsonization and phagocytosis process. Second one is membrane attack complex will form. It will destroy that cell. Third one is here not involving complement system. Here this IgG antibody directly activated NK cells by antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. Here this antibody Fc portion have some receptor of NK cell. It will damage that cell. This way it will damage that cell. Then example of opsonization disease, autoimmune hemolytic anemia, autoimmune thrombocytopenic purpura. Second reaction, this inflammation. Inflammation when antigen deposited on the extracellular matrix, that inflammation takes place. Here also complement system was activated. It will release C5a. Act as this C5a complex act as a chemotactic factor for neutrophil and monocytes, so it will come out from the vascular system. Then some mediated activated C5a and C5a, 3a and 5a. It will increases the vascular permeability, so it will release the protease and free radical, so it will causes tissue damage. Example of inflammation, Creutzfeldt syndrome, acute rheumatic fever, Pemphigus vulgaris. Then third process, cellular dysfunction of the cell. Here no complement system activation, no inflammation, only dysfunction of the cells takes place. When antibody bind to this antigen, the cell surface, as a result cellular dysfunction will happen. Example of this cellular dysfunction, Graves' disease, myasthenia gravis, pernicious anemia, insulin resistant diabetics.